Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Tidywittoya. This is your girl Toya, and in today's video I'm going to do a real quick budget with me for my October paycheck. So if this is something that you would like to see, make sure you keep watching.
Left it to the bank like ha 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 ha. Ooh, go. Left it to the bank like ha 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 ha. Ooh, yeah, I got anything.
Okay y'all, so your girl decided to come home first before picking up the twins to do this really quick budget with me. I'm really working with a little bit of time. Hubby has to do some side hustle work after work today, and so I'm not gonna have a lot of time to do a video tonight, and so I wanted to do the video before I actually went to pick them up from their Nana's house. So I am going to really quickly go through my budget and then give you all a few updates on what has been happening with us for the past week or so. So how y'all been doing this week? Hopefully you're doing well, your family's doing well, your budgets are doing well at least, or you are staying within your allocated budgets. Let me know in the comments how y'all have been doing and how those budgets are looking this week. So to start off my budget, as you can see, I have my full-time income that is here. Now, I'm actually going to make this my actual because it is my actual. I've already got my payroll advice. But if you notice, your girl got a little raise, about $90 or so. So this extra $90, I'm really going to pretend like it's not here. I'm not going to add it into my cash envelope budget. I'm actually going to put it into my savings challenges for October. And so extra $90 will go into my savings challenges that I have for October. And that video will come after my cash stuffing video for this month's paycheck. But yes, so there's a little bit of a raise. And so my bills are pretty, it's the same thing. They mostly don't fluctuate any. Rent is $11.69. My car payment is about $400. My handwriting is terrible, y'all, but that says $397.87. Insurance, which includes life insurance, which includes car insurance, which includes renter's insurance, is this $464.54. Phone bill is $153.11. Subscriptions is $63.57. My medical debt from having the twins is $100. Credit card debt is $50, and then I have a payment for Children's Place, which is where I get the twins' clothes from typically. So all of this stuff will, pretty much be the same. It won't fluctuate. So I will go ahead and add all of this up. So $11.69 plus $397. Oh, okay. I already messed up, y'all. Okay. $11.69 plus $397.87 plus $464. Oh my gosh. See, this is why I really can't do nails. Like, I think the next time I get my nails done, I'm going to get shorter nails because it looks cute, but it's not manageable for me. So, all right, just trying to add all this up. Plus 100, plus 50, plus 60. Okay, so this is going to be $2,458.09. Now, actually, all of this $90 won't go into savings challenges this paycheck because some of that is going towards this Children's Place payment. But in the future, all that $90 will be going towards savings challenges. So, so this $2,458.09 minus 2858.09 is $400. that's left over. So we will put 400 as remaining, and then we will come down here. So I will do a closeout for the month of September and show y'all what I spent. I definitely went over on groceries. I already know that. And, you know, just to give an update on how much I saved. I did have to dip into some of my sinking funds and things like that because, you know, it's just life right now. So we're trying to save up and get to a good place. But, you know, for example, my son is going through speech therapy. And so we will get reimbursed through my HSA. However, they do require a payment by check or money order for the services each month. And so I had to pay in advance and then I'll get reimbursed. But I took that $6 that I put in like the health sinking fund to help cover that because I didn't have quite enough in my account. And so, you know, things like that, you know, just kind of happen. It's life. So for groceries for this past month, I dedicated $200 to groceries. I definitely spent over that. And so I'm actually going to dedicate $250 to groceries. And I say I spent over that amount. I actually got the remaining amount, you know, from my husband. So it wasn't like I went into the negative. I was trying to be cautious of what I was putting towards it and things like that. So for eating out and coffee, I think I'm going to do just $10. Fun, I'm going to put actually $20 towards fun. I think we're going to go to the Lewisburg Cider Mill Cider Fest that they're having. And so I want to make sure that I at least have something to put towards it, even though I know my husband is probably going to put quite a bit towards it. So that's 280. I'm trying to, so the twins, I know that Sharif needs diapers and Jamila actually needs some more body wash. So I think I'm going to put $30 towards this. And then miscellaneous, I'm just going to do $5. And for house, I actually need a few things for the house. I have some money in sinking fund. So the issue is that I really want to get this to be 300. And so I'm trying to, you know, maneuver this as best I can. But let's see, 20, 30, 60. It probably won't be that amount. So let's see, 5. And then I will do, how much for house? I'll just do 10 for house and then see where that gets us. I do have a little bit in a sinking fund for stuff that we need for the house too, so we'll see what we can do. Alrighty, so we got 250, not 2,500, 250 plus 10 plus 20 plus 5 plus 30 plus 10. So I'm about 25 over, which will just have to be okay for right now. So the total will be 325, and then minus that 400, the remaining will be 75. Okay, so let's see here. So I know I want to put 30 towards savings challenges. So let's do 75 minus 30. It's 45. And then let's do minus, get it together, 45 minus 20. So then we'll just do 20 for the emergency fund. And then actually, y'all, my savings challenges for October, like those are going to go towards my emergency fund, as well as a couple other things. But, you know, a good portion is going to go towards the emergency fund. So I'm not as deterred about that. They're $5.29. I am not going to stuff. I will probably tag team my husband in to stuff for that. And then that leaves us with $25 for sinking funds. So if I come over here, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 sinking funds that I would like to stuff. And so if I have 25 left over, 25 divided by 4 would give me 625, but I definitely don't want to do 625 for each one. So if I do 6 times 4 will give me 24, and let's see, maybe I will do 7. Actually, I'll do 7 in family celebrations, just because my husband's birthday is coming up. So car taxes will get 6, boss funds or Tidywittoya will also get 6, and then travel will get 6. Alrighty, so if we had 75 left over from the previous total, 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 6 is equal to, oops, sorry y'all, 25. And then 25 minus that 75 is 50. Okay, and then we got emergency fund getting 20, savings challenges getting 30. And so that means that the total for this is 50 and the total remaining is 0, which means we get to our 0 based budget. So this week, y'all, I'm also going to be starting the twins actual 529. I have deposited the money to start that, and that money includes the money that was in the sinking fund, but then also the money that was in my change jar. So my change jar will be empty when you finally see my cash stuffing. But yeah, y'all, so this is what we're going to do with my next check. Definitely hope you all enjoyed this video. And also, if you have not seen, I will post it up above. I am doing a series called Our Different Budgeting Journeys. And so this series, the idea came from Budgeting April here on YouTube. And it just gives a chance for budgeters, different budgeters on YouTube to talk about why they started budgeting and, you know, what sort of research they did and how they budget and the struggles they've had and any advice they have for other budgeters. And so I have put out my first video. Those videos will be out every Tuesday at 8 a.m. So make sure you check out my video, but then also check out the other channels that are linked in my description box and look at their videos too. There are 2 groups that goes. One group goes on Tuesdays, which is my group, and the other group goes on Wednesdays. And then April posts her videos on Mondays. And so that'll be for the next 5 weeks. So definitely, if you are thinking about budgeting, or you don't know the first step to take, or, you know, maybe you just want some inspiration and some other folks to chat with about budgeting, I definitely encourage you to look at the channels that are posting videos for that series. So like I said, I hope you all have a great rest of your week. Thank you for tuning in today. If you have not liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit me up in the comments and let me know how you enjoyed this video today. All in all, hope to see you all in the next video. And remember, keep it tidy. Bye.
Laugh it to the bank like, ha 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 ha.